Finding a job can be a challenging and discouraging process, especially when sifting through numerous job postings and trying to determine which ones are legitimate. Many job seekers struggle to understand the jargon used in job descriptions and may feel overwhelmed by the requirements. One common piece of advice is to tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for. But this can be difficult to do without guidance. To help with this, it's essential to cut through the noise and focus on providing useful information that can aid in career development. This includes sharing free resources, such as resume templates, and highlighting virtual job fairs that can connect job seekers with potential employers. By taking advantage of these resources, individuals can save time, energy, and money while working towards their career goals. Several job opportunities are available for those looking for remote or flexible work arrangements. One such opportunity is with a company called Chime, which is hiring for a no experience, high-paying position in the tech industry. Another option is nighttime remote jobs that don't require a resume, offering flexibility for those who need it. Additionally, Amazon is hiring for a position as an Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is a crowdsourcing marketplace that allows individuals and businesses to outsource tasks. This platform enables companies to break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks that can be completed by people from all over the world. The work can be done at any time, making it an excellent option for those who need flexibility. Tasks may include data collection, content moderation, or data verification, and while some tasks may be more challenging, they all contribute to helping companies process information more efficiently. Other job opportunities include working as a tutor on a platform called Cambly, which connects students from around the world with tutors who can help them improve their English language skills. This platform offers flexibility, allowing tutors to set their own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Tutors can build valuable skills, such as patience and problem solving, which can be transferable to other careers. For those who are bilingual in English and Spanish, a remote medical scribe position is available. This role involves documenting patient interactions and ensuring accurate and timely medical records. The ideal candidate will have strong attention to detail, a good understanding of medical terminology, and the ability to work efficiently in a remote environment. Another job opportunity is with a financial technology company called Chime, which is hiring a quality analyst with no experience required. The role involves using natural language processing and machine learning to analyze text and spoken words, such as customer service calls. The goal is to help the company make better decisions by providing clear insights from the data being analyzed. To increase the chances of getting hired, it's crucial to tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for. This can be done by starting with a strong summary statement that highlights your qualities and what you can bring to the company. The summary statement should be focused on how you can help the company save time, reduce costs, and provide innovation and problem solving. When tailoring your resume, it's essential to use keywords from the job listing, such as data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing. This will help your resume pass through the applicant tracking system, ATS, and increase the chances of being seen by the hiring manager. You can also include a technical skills section to showcase your proficiency in specific tools, libraries, and techniques related to the job. Finally, it's essential to remember that experience is not the only factor in getting hired. Many skills can be developed through coursework, certifications, or self-study, and these can be highlighted on your resume. By being creative, flexible, and persistent, job seekers can increase their chances of success and find a fulfilling career.